Hey everybody, this is Dwayne and Rock. We're here at Six Flags over Georgia. It's a great day, and we get to check out Twisted Cyclone for the first time, right?
Yeah, I'm excited about this ride. We've been covering it since last August when we were here. When we were here for the last rides of the Georgia Cyclone coaster, and we have been here following all the construction. I remember when we came out in our winter jackets, all bundled up for the construction tour. Can't wait to see what this coaster is going to bring to Six Flags over Georgia.
I think it's going to be a great addition. Let's see what it has in store for the guests. You want to check it out?
Yeah, let's go check it out.
Hey everybody, this is Dwayne, Rock, Johari, Heather, Coaster Addict, and we're here at Six Flags over Georgia. Twisted Cyclone. What do you think so far, Rock?
We've been riding it basically since nightfall. It was dark when we got here, sun came up. We've ridden it anytime. Six Flags over Georgia this year. Check this coaster out. You're going to be talking about it for a very long time.
Great ride. Thanks so much for having us, Six Flags. Definitely come out.
Absolutely.
I think it's a game changer here. Six Flags over Georgia. If you haven't been out, Memorial Day weekend, you want to check out Twisted Cyclone. CoasterAddicts.com, shout it! Hey everybody, we're over here at the Cyclone Supplies. Presuming that's what they're going to be calling this, the souvenir
the ride photo, the merchandise building that's at the exit of the Twisted Cyclone attraction. Okay. We are now in the Cyclone Supplies. It's a gift and ride photo store here at the end of Twisted Cyclone. You see some t-shirts that are available, various sizes, shapes, styles, and of course our various other souvenirs, mugs and cups. Let's walk around here to the right. You'll notice some more t-shirts. Circle around. That's the screen for the ride photo. You'll just need to know your number and you can purchase the photo at the end. So there you have it here for the merchandise for Twisted Cyclone. Let's check out some more stuff.
Well, wow, what a day. I don't know what to say. I mean, it's a great addition. You need to come out here to Six Flags Over Georgia. What was your favorite part, though?
I like the surprise at the very beginning. I mean, right as soon as you leave the station, you get this quick little drop.
Yep.
Already pulls you off your feet.
Yeah,
I mean, and it was just so unexpected.
Yeah, I think that's great. And then I think, for me, the transition from the second inversion into the wave turn, I mean, but I think they're all put together just right. I think it's really good.
This
good
coaster,
ride.
it's a solid coaster.
Yeah.
I mean,
People
there's
love
no downtime.
Yeah, and people are gonna love it. Some people thought maybe that the length is too short, but I think it's actually just right because it's not gonna slow down. You're gonna have it the entire, all the way to the end. I mean, you're gonna be great. And then you get back
You're
in line
running
again.
on, once you hit this coaster, you're running on full adrenaline
Yeah.
the whole way through.
Yeah.
It's going to be difficult to go hit some of the other rides in the park. When this is right at the beginning of the park, you get that adrenaline rush, and then you got to get off and hit some of the smaller rides out there.
I think people are going to get right back in line, and then, you know, if you sit in the front, you're going to get back in line and go in the back. So, again, thank you, everyone. I think it's been a great day.
Yeah.
The weather cooperated in the second half, and thanks so much to Six Flags for having us out here, the entire team that put this event on.
Yeah, all the
can't say
media
enough.
crew
It's
that
great.
took their time today,
fantastic.
with all the camera footage, the video footage that they allowed us to do.
They definitely really
Six
helped us
Flags
out.
security for making sure we're safe as we're walking around filming.
Yes.
Yeah, thanks so much, Six Flags Over Georgia, for bringing us out here.
Yeah, and if you haven't subscribed yet, I mean, I don't know what you're waiting on. We have all this great coverage from Twisted Cyclone. We'll have some more as the opening for the general public and throughout the holidays in the summer. But we'll be back with some other stuff from Six Flags and other parks across the country. And I think they should subscribe, don't you think?
Absolutely. I'm going to go take a walk through the park right now.
Yeah.
Grab some extra footage, specifically only for our YouTube channel.
Yeah.
That might not post it up soon, but give it a few weeks or a month or so, and we might surprise you with some of the stuff that we get shot around here.
We have a lot of surprises, so definitely check back. Hit that notification bell. If you already are subscribed, hit the notification so you can get the latest and greatest from us each and every time that we're out at the park. So thanks for everyone for watching. We really appreciate all your support. Matter of fact, we're actually over 1,000 subscribers, and it's all because of you. So thank you once again for all that you do, support, and sharing our videos. It's been great.
Thank you so much, Coaster Addicts.